Hi, my name is Donna Judd. I'm going to show you how to make strawberry Cool Whip cookies. What you'll need to make these cookies is 1 box of strawberry cake mix. You'll need 1 tub of thawed Cool Whip, 16 ounce. It's the smaller one you find in the store. You'll need 1 egg, which needs to be beaten. And you'll need 2 cups of powdered sugar. So first of all, we need to start off first of all by always preheating your oven. So we're going to preheat the oven to 350. So first of all, well second of all I guess, we'll take the cake mix. And you'll need 2 large mixing bowls. Sorry, I forgot to add that. So in 1 mixing bowl, you're going to take the cake mix, and you're going to open it up and put it in the bowl. Then you're going to take the tub of Cool Whip. Oh, take the egg, I'm sorry. Crack it open. And we need to beat that. Let's beat the egg. We'll pour it in the cake mix. Then you take the Cool Whip, and we're going to add a little, like half the container at a time, so it's not so messy over here. So we'll put it in the cake mix. Then we take some mixer, and we're going to mix the Cool Whip and the egg and the cake mix together. These are easy cookies. There's only those 3 ingredients that you need to make it, I guess. Or 4 if you count the powdered sugar. The mixture does get heavy on the mixer, so you have to be careful not to burn your mixer out. But that's like with any cookie mix that you make. So let's add the rest of the Cool Whip to the mixture. Let's finish mixing this together. Get it off the mixer here. Not making too much of a mess. When they're pretty much all off of it, you're just going to have to take a spoon and kind of take the rest off the mixer. Because it's all gooey. Let's scrape that off the mixer handles. When you do make these cookies, you do get I said your hands get a little messy, but nothing else does. So next, you're going to take the powdered sugar mixture that we have over there. And we're going to take it. I forgot to pour it in the other mixing bowl. You need a cookie sheet. We're going to do 1 cookie sheet at first. Then you take mixtures of the cookie dough. You're going to take a spoonful of the cookie dough that we just made, drop it in the powdered sugar. They're probably about 1-inch balls, maybe, if you think about it. It's about the size of a walnut. And then once you get, I usually do 4 of them at a time in there, so you don't have to get your hands so messy. Then you're just going to shake them around in the powdered sugar mixture. You want to make sure the little ball, they're like little balls, that they're all covered up in strawberry or the powdered sugar. Then you just set them on a cookie sheet. You can place them on the cookie sheet probably about 1 inch apart. And you know, as big as your cookie sheet is, depends on how many you put on there. You'll do this until we get a full cookie sheet. I haven't tried it, but I'm sure you could use a different flavored cake mix with these. Probably like a lemon cake mix would be good with it to give it a different little flavor. Or an orange would probably be good. Maybe even chocolate. I'm sure that would be probably tasty too. And then once we get all the cookies on the cookie sheet that you're going to put on this sheet, which this one's going to hold. I'm going to do 2 more if you don't mind. And then you'll put them in the oven. You'll cook them for like 10 to 12 minutes, it says, or until you think they're done. Depending on your oven, it might take just a little bit longer. Okay. Now I'm going to have to get a towel to kind of wash my fingers off because my hands are kind of gooey. So excuse me just for a second. Okay. Take the cookie sheet, you put it in the oven, and we're going to cook them for like 10 to 12 minutes just to see. We'll set the timer so we'll know when they're done. Then as they're cooking, you can kind of clean up your mess a little bit, just a tad. I set the cookie dough back in the refrigerator to keep it a little cool so the Cool Whip doesn't get so mushy. And then when the cookies are done, the finished product, which I don't know if you can see, oops, they're just little round things, and they're powdered sugar, they're strawberry flavored. You'll take them and put them on a cookie rack. You want to cool them on a cookie rack so they're cool evenly. And then when they're cool, they're ready to eat, and they're delicious. Thank you very much.